Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This is Apo Adman of Tampang Alitohan ng Agama and welcome to our temple ground. I am so sorry kasi up to now I could not still hear well. Our day today is May 19, 2026. It's 9:07 in the morning here. So it's almost 2 weeks that I'm already here, but still the memory of having a jet lag is still here. Actually, it's not a jet lag, it's an ear problem. Maybe there is some clog that is happening on my ear. But anyway, to answer your questions now, you have your new name, no? And all of you have the same diwata. So let me explain first, no? There are almost 120 plus ethno-linguistic tribe in the Philippines, and on that ethno-linguistic tribes or languages, there are gods or diwata, local god that been invoked by our what do you call that, our indigenous people. So in order for us to continue the honoring of this diwata, every month we assign one diwata coming from those ethno-linguistic tribe. And during the time that when I arrived in Hawaii last March, did I arrive March? Yes, or April 5. The diwata that is with me is the diwatang Maknongan of the Ifugao tribe. And then on April 17, I stayed there during the new moon because we have dedicated and consecrated that day to invoke the new diwata. And the diwata that comes to us is Anitong Sayum Ay and Mangat. No? If you will notice, there is a difference between Duwata and Anito. The Duwata are the deity, while Anito are the ancestors. So there is a big difference. Though we honor the ancestors, we honor the Duwata, and we honor the Encanto. No, all of this you can find on landasnanglahi.com or even at anitohan.org, where we explain what are the difference between the Diwata, Anito, and the Encanto. And also there is also called Umli, which is the supreme. And most of the supreme deities we call them as Umli, but they have technically have a Diwata title or naripik, no. So what will you do? So all of those Bansagan last new moon, where we also welcome Mahal na Makaako, will have two or three, no? So technically, all of you are chosen by the Anitong Sayum Ay and Mangat. They are couples, divine couple of the Buid Mangyan tribe, and they are the one who give names to everything on earth. So they called it the tree, rock, etc., in the mountain, and they gave names to all creatures, even the dog, the plants, etc., etc. But aside from giving name, when when we work with Anitong Saim Ay, it's about naming. It's not about naming. It is also about identification, and it is becoming aware. No? And then the new god, the Diwata, that we have invoked during the your graduation day is also from the Mangyan tribe, but this time on different part of Mindoro. It's from the Hanunuo Mangyan, which is Mahal na Makaako. This Mahal na Makaako is a supreme god that creates everything through by staring or by the divine gaze. No? So it's both of them, Mahal na Makaako and the Anitong Sayum Ay, is teaching us through our vision to see, and on our vision, on our eyesight, we create. It is the same thing that happened na whenever we see something wrong, we should take actions. That's why creation is will come. But the specific questions, no, how to work with this diwata, with these divine beings that are guarding you now. They are not your they are technically your head diwata, but you can have a personal diwata by asking them to introduce you. So it's not given. So they will come to you. So this one, it's the temple who are choosing you. They are the one who chose you, but there will be still a diwata, a personal diwata from different tribes in the Philippines that will come to you. So first is you develop relationship with Anitong Sayum Ay and Mangat and even Mahal na Makaaho. So how will you develop relationship? Just like knowing their names. You talk to them. You talk to them. You tell them in the morning, good morning, Anitong Sayum Ay, good morning, Anitong Magat, good morning, Diwatang Mahal na Makaako. It's a new day. Thank you for the blessings of life. Thank you that I can still breathe and I open my eyes and I see things beautiful. I hope that you will be with me the whole day. So it's a simple communication and then silence. Then you may opt to offer a drink like coffee or whatever you drink and make that offering na I'm offering, for example, I don't have my coffee right now. No. So if you have your coffee or drink, you drink it in the name of Mahal na Makaako, in the name of Anitong Saimay, in the name of Magat, I drink this cup. And allow it by sipping that drink, allow it that you feel the taste, the effect that it does in your body, no? And just be normal, no? Be normal. Accept that. No, let it go. And throughout the whole day, observe your actions. You go to work, you go dancing, you go singing bowl, or whatever you do. Observe those things. But always be aware in your mind that you invoke the presence of the Diwata to be with you. Don't blame the Diwata if there is some bad things that happen. It means they allow that to happen so that you may experience. We cannot control other people's mind, but what we can control is ourselves. No? So observe how you react to those situations. If you feel helpless, you just mention the name of the Diwata. Please help us. Please help me. Please be with me so that I may overcome this struggle. This is how we work with the Diwata. And now, going to the question, no, going to the question that you asked, is you wait. Uh, you ask anitong Saim Ay, anitong Magat, Diwatang Mahal na Makaako to introduce you to your personal Diwata. For me, the first Diwata that arrived in my life, although I already know, we all know, Bathala, the Tagalog God, no, Supreme God. And I think it's only Bathala way back then are the one that remains memorable, especially in Central Luzon. But of course, the name Kabunyian is also preserved in the Mountain Province and Magbabaya on Mindanao part, no? And even in the Visaya as Laon. So there are so many diwata, no? There are so many diwata. But first, I know Kilobansa. I get to know him, although there are no much information. But I pray. So it was my constant prayer and communication to the Diwatang Kilobansa that allows me to open up the spiritual world very wide, very big, no? And through that constant communication, I found my head, my personal Diwata, which is my Mayari, no? And Mayari was a Tagalog deity of the moon, goddess of the moon. But Mayari is also a male god of the Sambal that lives and sits inside Mount Pinatubo. No? So in the realms of the spiritual realms of the indigenous pre-colonial Filipino, our god and goddesses are not god and goddesses at all. They are neither male nor female. They are both. They are hermaphrodite in the old sense, or yeah, they are genderless, and their gender is being revealed to whom they show up. No, so if they appear to you as a male, because that is the energy that you are uh, wanting to have in your life. If they appear as a female, that's the energy you really need. No, so they feed our mind, they feed our soul. So the diwata is like uh, a charger, a charger. When your phone is dead, you put the plug and plug it on the socket so that electricity flow. They are the ones. So the tools that I gave you, like the bracelet, no, the 10 elements bracelet. It will connect you to the source. It will connect you to be reminded that you are part of the earth. Even this one, no, for us, the doctors, we have the bato omo and the coconut. Whenever we wear this, we hold on this, it reminds us that we are part of the divinity because the divine is within us. We breathe in and breathe out. This air that we breathe, we are not the one who created it. No? It is from the divine. It is the divine breath that comes in and we push out to exhalation. So it is important that every day you wake up with hope, asking the Diwata to be with you. And before you sleep with an intention of knowing your Diwata. So you write down your prayer on a piece of paper, asking you to reveal the Diwata that have chosen you to be your personal guide, to be your best friend. And you will wake up or you will have a dream and sometimes they will reveal themselves to you. And then also, you tell yourself that you have to remember your dreams. Now you have to remember the name of your Diwata. And sometimes the name of the Diwata will be revealed to you in a way how you will remember them. No? And what important is because sometimes they might reveal to you because you are living in the foreign land in America, no? They might reveal to you on the name that you will easily understand. They might be they may call you the name as Nina, no? Or Karen or Adrian. But regardless of, you have to look back to our culture. You consult me, you consult Sunny, especially me or Lakay Magbaya, if there is certain diwata that is named like this. Or Google, Microsoft, or the AI could also help you to find the name. So that was the technology is giving us. And the Diwata allows us to evolve. The Diwata allows us to evolve because we are living tradition. We are living spirituality. And as a living individual, we grow. We do not stuck on the old. No? Although we still need to honor the past, but we need to move forward and bring them to the future so that people will still experience it. I hope this video answer your questions, and um, I hope that everyone will stay connected. And I'm planning to have a monthly meet up online, but then I have to be mindful of the time because Nina, you are in Texas, and the time that I chose is midnight already to you. So I'm sorry for that. I was not able to think of your time. But let us meet some halfway so that all of us are awake, all of us are alive, and all of us are enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. No, okay. So I really miss you guys. So thank you very much. And I'm uploading this to our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe so that you may be updated to whatever video that I am posting. And of course, I want to see if you watch this by commenting below. So give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe. So see you then. Paalam.